If you're looking for the best carbon full suspension frames, you're in the right place. Whether you're an avid mountain biker, a cross-country enthusiast, or simply upgrading your gear, finding the perfect frame is crucial. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 carbon full suspension frames, focusing on their standout features, durability, and why they deserve a spot on your shortlist. We've done the hard work by researching hundreds of products, so you don't have to. Stay tuned as we break down the details of each frame and help you find the ideal choice for your next ride. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and to grab the best deals on these amazing frames. Now, let's dive in. Number 5. SERAPH Full Suspension Carbon Frame. The SERAPH F180/158 is a fantastic choice for cross-country riders seeking lightweight performance and durability. Crafted from high-quality carbon material, it delivers strength without sacrificing weight, making it perfect for mountain biking. Its matte finish adds a sleek, professional look, and with full suspension capabilities, it's built to handle rugged terrain effortlessly. However, the frame is slightly heavier compared to others in its class, and it lacks foldable features. Despite this, its affordable price and customizable options make it a great entry-level option for riders wanting a reliable, full suspension frame. Number 4. LEXON XR729 MTB29 Frames. Power. The LEXON XR729 combines cutting-edge technology with top-notch materials, featuring Toray Tone 1000 carbon fiber for a lightweight and durable build. It supports disc brakes, internal cable routing, and dropper seat post installation, offering versatility for various trail conditions. Its 148-inch boost axle ensures stability and responsiveness, while the matte or glossy finish options cater to personal preferences. On the downside, it's slightly pricier, and its max tire size of 2.35 inches may not suit all riders, but for those seeking a premium frame with advanced features like 100 meters of travel absorbers and high load capacity, the XR729 stands out as a worthy investment. Number 3. BXT29er Full Suspension Boost Frame. The BXT29er is an excellent all-rounder with its Tone 1000 carbon fiber construction and adaptable features like compatibility with 135x9, 140x2x12m spacing. It offers smooth 148x12m spacing. It offers a variety of fork travels, making it versatile for different terrains. The matte or glossy finish enhances its aesthetic appeal, and it's designed to accommodate both mechanical and D2 setups. The frame's downside is its max tire size of 2.25 inches, which might limit its use for more aggressive riders. Still, its durability, lightweight design, and excellent suspension performance make it a solid mid-tier option for mountain bikers. Number 2. Airwolf Televan 100 Full Suspension Carbon MTB Frame. The Airwolf Televan 100 delivers high-end performance with its Toray Televan 100 carbon fiber construction, ensuring durability and weight reduction. With 140 tom rear-wheel travel, internal cable routing, and compatibility with both mechanical and DITWO setups, this frame is tailored for serious riders. Its max tire size of 29-inch x 3.0 provides unmatched stability and traction on rough trails. One downside is its slightly higher weight compared to others in its class, but the build quality and features like dropper seat post support and a 2-year warranty make it a premium choice for those seeking an elite mountain biking experience. Number 1. Icanbikes Snow Bike Full Suspension Frame. The Icanbikes SN4 redefines versatility with its Toray T700 carbon fiber construction, designed for fat bikes. It accommodates massive 26x 4.8-inch tires, perfect for tackling snow, sand, or rocky trails. Its 120-tin travel and rear shock 250 on ME provide excellent cushioning, while the internal cable routing keeps things clean and organized. On the downside, it's heavier and bulkier due to its fat bike design, and its size options are limited. However, if you're looking for a high-performance frame for extreme conditions, the SN4 is unbeatable in terms of strength, stability, and capability.